Hi, this is a solution to Like London, the first external question 2. The first one, you can read it yourself here, question 2.1 and question 2.2. You can simply stop the video and read it. And then question 2.3, we have to find the optimal price. For the moment, the price is 299, VAT included. So if we use the total method, and we have here the price with VAT included, we remove the VAT by removing 20%. Remember that if you have the VAT included and you want to remove it, you remove 20%, not 25. And here you have the volume, and here is the variable unit cost. It's the same the whole way through, so it's a proportional variable unit cost. The revenue, it is the price without VAT multiplied by the volume, and then you have all the revenue. And the total variable cost, it is the cost per unit multiplied by the volume. And then you have these two columns. And if you deduct variable cost from revenue, you have the contribution margin. And in this case, you can see that the highest contribution margin, it is if your price VAT included is 309.95, because you have here the highest contribution margin. And next question, it's about cross price elasticity. You have the answer here. And then last question, it's about the liquidity. How can you improve the liquidity situation? You can try to get more credit from suppliers, and you can try to reduce credit to customers, and you can maybe get loans where you don't have to repay, or you can lease instead of rent. And they haven't written it here, but you could also say that you could maybe drop paying dividend to your shareholders. I don't know why they didn't have this. So it was this.